welcome. I'm Kristen, and tonight we're going to make this meat stuffed tater. I cooked up my potatoes in the air fryer, but you can cook yours however is best for you. You could do them in the microwave, you could do them in the oven. The point is that you want to get them taters done. After I poked some holes into them, I went ahead and put some oil over the top, and then I hit it with the all-purpose seasoning. Once it was all mixed up, I went ahead and put mine into the air fryer, and because this air fryer cooks different than my other air fryer did, I wasn't really sure exactly how long to cook it. So the best way to do it is to just start low, and then you'll be able to see from there. So I did 380 for 15 minutes, and then I stopped and I checked them. Sticking it with a toothpick allowed me to see exactly how tender it was starting to get, and it wasn't quite ready, so I went ahead and put it on for 380 for another 10 minutes. After 6 minutes, I started feeling like I needed to check it, so I stopped it and hit it with the toothpick and decided to go on and let them cook for the full 10 minutes. I used this Jack Daniel's pulled pork, and I just warmed it up according to what it said on the package. But if you have any of leftovers from last night, it would go really good on this baked potato. I went ahead and cut my potato up into chunks and then put it on the plate to get it dressed up. I put my cheese right on the potato so that the heat from the potato could melt the cheese, and then I went in and hit it up with the pepper, brought in the meat, and then topped it off with the onions. And let me tell you, you do not want to skip those green onions, because the flavor with the barbecue sauce, I'm telling you, it is something that you do not want to miss. If you haven't already, head over to my Patreon, grab your download, get your groceries, and come back tomorrow because we're going to be making some beef tips. The link is down in the description. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.